1, 2 I was in my dorm room looking for something fun to do